Waheguru, student of 6th standard. Bache, we are going to start lesson number 36 of your subject General Knowledge. Children Classics. Children classics comprises of various story books, fairy tales, and the fables that are written by the great authors. Story books for the children's we are talking, and fairy tales for the children's, which are published in the 19th and early 20th century, which is considered as the period of the golden age of children literature. So here are some pictures of the given of children's books. We have to write their names. First one picture of this story book, the first one picture is about Peter Pan story. This is written by the Scottish novelist. The name of that novelist, that is James Matthew Barrie. Basically, this story tells us about a little boy, that is 7-day-old baby, who has flown from his nursery to Kingston Garden in the London, where some birds and some fairies told or teach him to how to fly. So this is about the story of the old baby. Next one is the Chronicles of Narnia. Basically, Narnia means a fantasy word. The author of this story, that is C.S. Lewis. Basically, the Chronicles of Narnia is a series of films which created a number of series of one film which creates or which revolves around the adventures of the children in the world of Narnia, that is guided by Aslan, which is considered as a powerful lion, who speak in also, and who is considered as true king of Narnia. Narnia means a fantasy word that is created by the author, that is C.S. Lewis. Third one picture is Wind in the Willow. The name of the third picture, that is Wind in the Willow, which is book that is published by the author Kenneth Grahame, that is the British writer, and it was published in 1908. Basically, it was a most famous English children book about the animals. Next is Alice in the Wonderland. Next one picture is Alice in the Wonderland. Then author name of that one fairy tale or book is Lewis Carroll, which was published in 1865. Basically, this story tells us about a young girl that is named Alice, that why written here, Alice in Wonderland, who falls through a rabbit hole into the fantasy world. It's a very popular story with the adults as well as children's. Next one picture describe Winnie the Pooh. That is written by the author A.A. Milne. Alan Alexander, which is the name of Alan Alexander, which was published in 1926. It was published in 1926. See in the picture, it is shown here. Basically, it is a story about the teddy bear. The name of that teddy bear is Winnie the Pooh. Focused on the adventure of the teddy bear, the called name Winnie the Pooh, with their lot of friends a small toy pig, rabbit also, donkey also, various friends are there. So it's about the adventure of the teddy bear. The name of the teddy bear of this that story, that is Winnie the Pooh. Last one is very famous story, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. It was very famous story in the adults as well as in the children also. The name of the publisher of that story is J.K. Rowling. Basically, that story tells about a young wizard who's discovered his magical heritage. Whenever he discovered his heritage on his 11th birthday, when he was receiving a letter of acceptance from the Hogwarts School of Wizard. The name of the name of that boy, very popular name, is Harry Potter, which was written. So he makes close friends, and help of his friends he faces an attempted comeback by the dark wizard. The name of that wizard is Lord Voldemort, who killed his family when he was just 15 months old. So it tells about the story of the Harry, the name of that young boy who will enter one school, the name of Hogwarts School at witchcraft, of the witchcraft. So it was published in 1997 by the author J.K. Rowling. So here are some books. We have to match the books with their authors. The first one is Little House on the Prairie. That the name of that author is Laura Ingalls. The Tale of Peter Rabbit, Beatrix Potter, Peter Pan and Wendy. That is J.M. Barrie, as I told you. The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. That is L. Frank Baum. The Wind in the Willows, Kenneth Grahame. Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling. Winnie the Pooh, Alan Alexander Milne. And the last is Chronicles of Narnia, that is C.S. Lewis.